Welcome to the Bio Lab. In this lesson, we will introduce you to the paramecium parts and their functions. Click the icon to start. Click on the paramecium structure. Oral groove. Cytoplasm. Food vacuoles. Macronucleus. Contractile vacuole. Micronucleus. Anal pore. Cilia. Pellicle. Now let us discover the general structure of the paramecium under the microscope. Click the microscope icon. Turn on the microscope, then drag the paramecium slide into the microscope stage. This is a 100x magnification. Switch to the 200x objective lens by rotating the nosepiece counterclockwise.